panel on an overhead console. So stay tuned, keep watching. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to be removing this here, which has 2 screws there, but we need to access it, so we have to go here. We got to remove this box first. I'm missing one because I took this off before, so we're going to want to remove it. Is remove this door here, just like that. So now it gives us our package tray. So that's how I'm going to want my switches, right around there. Go ahead and mount it. So yeah, looking forward to showing you guys the rest of the